How long you stay in Hong Kong?
What?
How long you stay in Hong Kong?
Oh, it's 5 years. Next year is going 6 years.
But is you like it there? Like you have a good life? Happy?
Yeah, yeah. The Hong Kong, it's nice because everything you have a freedom.
Hmm. Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, and then there's a lot of the Filipino, from Philippines. It's like Philippines.
Mm. Uh, but like if you would like say like I don't know about that, I don't know about up work something. Like how much more do you make in Hong Kong than if you have the same job in the Philippines?
Oh no, here my salary is uh 35.
In pesos?
Yeah, in terms it's 35,000, and Hong Kong it's 5,000. It's not same because the other is higher. The other is 10,000, eight like that.
Well, like Hong Kong is like it's rich. Like 35,000. It's very small salary if you stay in Hong Kong. For Philippines,
Yes.
it's
Yeah, but
decent. But Hong Kong is not a good.
in Philippines it's higher rate.
Yeah, I know it's
Yeah,
pretty decent for Philippines, but you're not in Philippines.
yeah, it's okay.
Do you have any weekend plans?
Not yet,
Normal.
not yet.
Where is
Ah,
where is Shao? I need him to dancing and be the sexy guy.
the biggest frustrating. Monjo Vlog, Miguel, shout out to you. How are you, HK?
I'm okay. I feel okay.